Jnanam Paramam Dhyayam. Knowledge is supreme.
Hello students, I am Professor Sujit Zogwar from Department of Chemical Engineering, IIT Bombay, and I will be offering this course on chemical process control. Chemical process control is a very unique course in chemical engineering curriculum which deals with actual operation of a chemical plant. While most of the courses which you have taken in the curriculum, they deal with the steady state aspects or consider that things are relatively steady, this course will help you appreciate that the real plant operation is quite dynamic, and it will also teach you the tools which will help you to manipulate this behavior so that you get the desired values which are close to the steady state values which you have already designed. So accordingly, in this course we will begin with understanding how the chemical plant behaves as a response to a disturbance, which we will be doing using dynamic analysis. Once we know how a system behaves, then we will use the control strategies to manipulate this behavior so that we make sure the plant operates the way we want, and then lastly we will achieve or we will do the same thing but in an intelligent fashion by using the topics of advanced control. So overall, at the end of this course you will be able to appreciate what is the need of process control and what is the need of having a dynamic or studying process dynamics. You will also be able to identify different strategies which are used to control a process. Then you will be able to design and analyze one of the most commonly used control strategies, which is known as a feedback control strategy. You will also be able to develop control strategies for some of the commonly used unit operations like reactor, distillation column, heat exchanger, and lastly you will be able to appreciate the need for advanced control strategies and how or what is the working principle of each of those advanced control strategies which are out there. So from the syllabus you can see that this is a very well mix of some of the basic topics of process control as well as some of the advanced topics. So it is a good course for undergraduates as well as postgraduates, as well as I will be talking about some of the industrially relevant example cases. So it can also be considered as a good refresher course for some of the process engineers and plant operators which are working in an industry. Thank you.